I'm just having a bit of deja vu. Last time I came up to this farm I was filling up the squirrel feeder and then I was going shooting rats. I'm doing the exact same thing again on the same farm, except it's on my other squirrel feeder that I've got here, because I have two squirrel feeders on this farm, and I've just filled that one up and I'm going to shoot rats later tonight in about an hour or so. So it's going to be rats again tonight on the same farm as last time, and hopefully in a few weeks I should hopefully have some footage for this, another squirrel video, because people seem to be enjoying my squirrel videos. But for tonight it's the rats. Farmer said there's a lot. Again, I'm skeptical, but he does seem quite adamant, so I think we'll get a few. It's going to be me and Lofty again. So yeah, see how we get on. Usual kit will be, for myself, will be Air Arms S510 Ultimate Sporter 177. Lofty will be using my, as you already know, my old BSA Ultra SE and 177. Both of these rifles are Laserworks tuned. And I'm going to see if we can get some day footage as well, because it's summer. It takes so long for the sun to go away, and it takes a long time for the rats to come out. But there are a few which come out during the day, apparently. But we'll find out. Simple enough. That was just 22 yards. Got the first one down. Time my trigger pull just at the right time and blast that one right in the head. This is only at about 22, 23 yards, but not bad off the sticks. Just managed to blast that first one. Didn't take long at all. A big fat one as well. Farmer's just come out now. He's just feeding his dogs. He came out about 30 seconds after I shot that one. So there isn't really much I can do at the moment. So while I'm sweating my ass off, I'll just have a nice hot cup of tea. Number 2 has just popped out. This one's at about 29 yards. Aiming its head, bit of a dark area, but I could just see it. Wait for that moment and pop that one. Finally, Lofty turns up. As soon as he steps out of his van, notices a jackdaw. A decent start for him. And then he gives me a nice gentle wave to say hello. Manages to get his jackdaw, and then immediately gets his second kill of the night, but his first rat. He's actually shooting that quick that I don't even have time to record him. So he's managed to just get this one before he even managed to press record. Fortunately, he managed to record it on his PARD. Just getting a bit dark now, so I'm changing from my Eagle Vision setup and switching onto my PARD. So simple as take off the adapter, now my PARD's ready to go. The night seems to be settling in a bit now. Still find it a bit difficult to shoot, such as this one. It keeps running out, grabbing a little bit of food, running away, no chance. But PARD's on now. A lot of darkness. Now they're slowly just starting to come out. are now starting to easily pop them off. This one was giving me the runaround, saw it quickly, so I didn't waste any time. Saw my opportunity, put the crosshair on it and pulled the trigger. Switched over to Lofty now. I'm looking at Lofty through my thermal. He's just getting himself set up on his trigger sticks, looking into this quite a busy area at the moment. Unfortunately, my thermal doesn't record sound, so I've had to improvise a little bit. Hope you enjoy the sound effects. And he blasts that one from the top. Moved into a second position here. They're just moving around, you can see there's a few dead bodies from before. And he smashes another. This is the first time Lofty's using his brand new PARD. So he's still getting used to it, but looks like he's doing okay here. Takes down this young one with a body shot. It puts it down. Switch back to myself again. Lofty's had quite a few. It's not a bad night so far. Not quite sure how many we've got actually. This one was just peeping out from a dog kennel. Just enough of its head just for me to take it. Quite close range this one, so you can see him just holding that tiny touch of holdover. Certainly getting the numbers down here. You can see them in all varying places. Again, just peeping out. Drop that onto the floor. Switched over to Lofty again. As you can tell by the crosshairs. Another young one. Blast that one. And again, Lofty takes after me, never learns. Just fires a puff of air. Mag fully loaded again. Ooh, and he just missed that one. Just managed to pull its head away just at the right moment. That one was a bit unlucky. That was the last shot of the night. Not quite sure how many we got actually. There's a few which we forgot to record like we always do because we're stupid, but anyway, we both had a good night. Cheers for watching and we'll see you in the next one.